Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Crazy Man, your beast, hungry. And guys, obviously my voice is really cracking right now, and it's like my nose is stuck. I had a sinus or something like that. And what do I want to say? Okay, if you are new to my channel, you can just like, subscribe, and my eyes is teary still. I had allergies, I had cold, I had flu, and yeah, so my voice is really cracking and not in a good condition. So, what do I say? Where I am. Wait. And if you are new to my channel, you can just like, subscribe, and if you have a suggestion or question, you can just comment down below, so I will answer that as soon as possible. If you want to notified every time I have a new upload, you can just ring the bell button like ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding 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 dong. So guys, I am pretty sick, and I still doing this because of you guys. I want to share you guys what I'm gonna eat when I'm sick. And this is what I got. Chicken bones tinola with papaya, so healthy, and moringa with chives. So that's so hot and really nice. This one is chicken bones, grilled chicken bones. I didn't eat yesterday, and I am so hungry. And this one, guys, is okra grilled also. This one is grilled also, enoki mushroom, and a bok choy kimchi. So, oh my god, my eyes is really teary. So, let's get started. What I'm gonna do first, of course, my one big bite. I'm gonna pick one piece of the chicken, one okra, one kimchi, and some enoki mushrooms. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. Okay, let's get started. One big bite. Mmm. 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 Ah. Oh. Mmm. Oh. Mm. Oh. Mm. Let's go with this one. I seasoned this one also, guys. Mm. 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 How is the first day of Your 2020. Actually, I got this cold. We went into a Dubai Fireworks 2020 at Jumeirah Beach Residence, the GBR. Super duper cold because Dubai right now is really cold. Dubai right now is really cold. And I got also hiccup, asthma. We stayed there with for 2 hours without protection or something. Sarah also got sick, so that is my boss making her own coffee. We go there without bringing anything, like carpet or at least to cover up. I mean, at least to put something on the sand. We seated on the sand, and the sand itself is really cold. So, that's how I get my cold. Mm. Mm. The fireworks is so amazing. I am a little bit disappointed when I can't capture the whole thing, the whole fireworks from Burj Al Arab, because we thought that that is the good spot of Burj Al Arab fireworks, but I can't see it. That we're too far. What we did is, Laila, one of my friend, will took a, I mean, will take a video on the GBR side. Sarah on Atlantis side, and I will do the Burj Al Arab. But there's a little bit, but it's not that good, so I didn't put it on my video. So it's quite disappointed, but it's still fun. So guys, I think I'm done. I finished the whole one of the whole chicken bones. I finished half of this one and the veggies, and this is probably will be my dinner. So guys, I'm sorry for the voice. I'm really sick right now, and my body is aching too. I hope I will be better tomorrow. Bye.